I am so thrilled to be here with you. My goal today is that you leave our time together truly believing that you are 1000% capable of accomplishing anything that you set your mind to. What I know for certain is that you care deeply about making an impact. You love leadership, and growth and development really matters to you. My mission is to optimize your potential, open your eyes to the unlimited possibilities that your future holds, and help you develop a crystal clear plan to achieve your goals. If I do nothing else today, I hope that you walk out of here believing in what's possible, and that you know that if you commit to being 1% better each and every day, that you will be unstoppable. I believe in you 1000%, and my goal is that you do too. Now let's get to work.